Next, in the category of Outstanding Achievement in Medicine, our next award goes to Dr. Andrew Simor. Dr. Andrew Simor is the Chief of the Department of Microbiology in the Division of Infectious Diseases at Sunnybrook Health Sciences Centre in Toronto. He's a professor in the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Toronto and a senior scientist at the Sunnybrook Research Institute. He's recognized nationally and internationally as a leader in the field of hospital epidemiology, the management and prevention of infectious diseases. Dr. Simor's involvement in Tikun Olam began as a high school student, when he gave his time weekly to tutor immigrant children in underserviced areas of the city. His medical volunteerism began 13 years ago when he first became involved with Ve'ahavta as a volunteer in rural Zimbabwe at the Salvation Army Howard Hospital. Dr. Simor has also served as a board member for Ve'ahavta and is now enthusiastically looking forward to participating in Ve'ahavta's newest initiative, Briut, working to improve health and well-being in First Nations communities in Northern Ontario. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next Tikun Olam honoree for outstanding contribution to medical care for communities in need in the category of medicine, Dr. Andrew Simor.
Dear family, friends, guests, other honorees, when I was young and growing up, my father used to say that I was generally a good kid. He would observe that some kids you have to pay to be good, but not my Andrew. He is good for nothing. I know he would be proud today. I am honored and I am humbled for having been selected for this year's Tikun Olam Award in the medical category. It is an honor because Ve'ahavta does such amazing humanitarian work, both locally and internationally. Ve'ahavta is a unique organization that brings a distinctly Jewish approach to recognizing our obligations to our fellow human beings. However, it is very humbling for me because I've been included with other outstanding award recipients this evening and with a number of other medical award recipients from Starry Nights events in previous years. These are all individuals who have devoted much of their lives to making the concept of Tikun Olam a vibrant reality, and by doing so have accomplished remarkable things. I thank Ve'ahavta, therefore, for honoring me in this way. I'm also grateful for the incredibly good fortune of having been born in Canada, a basically peaceful, tolerant, and affluent country, to have been raised by loving and generous parents, to be surrounded by wonderful children and grandchildren, and to have the joy and support of my amazing soulmate and loving wife, Mary Lou. Admittedly, sometimes it seems that the world's problems are overwhelming and beyond our capacity to change. But to paraphrase one of our sages, Rabbi Tarfon in Pirkei Avot, and I'm sure many of you are familiar with this, he wrote, "The day is short and the work is endless. It is not for you to finish the work, nor are you free to desist from it." That is one reason that I find the concept of Tikun Olam to be so empowering, because although we cannot solve all of the world's problems, we do have the capacity to partner with the divine to improve this world, to make our own small part of it a better place for all. I thank Ve'ahavta as an organization for reminding me that we are, all of us on this planet, interconnected, sharing responsibility for our collective well-being. Thank you.